Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to initiate the transfer of an employee within the employee directory of KEBS. Once the user navigates to the employee directory, the user can click on the Quick Actions option. From the drop-down list, the user can click on the Initiate Transfer option. The Initiate Transfer form appears. Here, the user needs to enter the name or ID of the employee to be transferred, and the existing department details of the particular employee is displayed. Here, the user can select the reason for transfer, which is either an organizational change or a project change, and mention the required changes. Once the departmental changes have been mentioned, the Initiate Transfer button can be clicked, and the employee has been transferred to the designated department successfully. Thank you for watching.